So in the meantime, while I got the spark plugs in, and by Amazon, I bought these little plugs. You just put them right in there, so nothing will get in there. Like that. Just like that. So, then my daughter calibrated all these for me at a 35. So we're gonna put these 8 on there. So we're gonna put this one right here. In here. Yeah, man, I just want to get this car started, move it around the driveway, so the tree limbs won't fall on it for this winter. And you know, I seen this kid, forgot his name. He's got this, I guess his yard, or he's got land. I guess his parents, but his grandpa had he's got cars in the back. He just goes in there, starts tinkering with shit, starts them right up, no problem. What's his name? I don't remember. Because he'll bring him in his shop and he'll start anything, actually. Guess knowledge is power, because, I mean, I'm trying. But instead of paying somebody to come out here and do something to it, I mean, it's just more fun when you can just put your hands, be hands-on with your own car. Especially these engines right here, they're more easier to get to. And these new modern cars, you gotta take the covers off, you gotta do a bunch of stuff just to access something. Alright, now we're just gonna tighten them. See if I can get in there. Alright, so now that we got the spark plugs in there, gonna put these on. These are 10mm universal cables, so you gotta kind of clip them if you want them to be at the right size. I don't know how these go, so I'm just gonna kind of go by this shit. Number 2. Okay. So I guess let's start with number 2. No, that'll be the shortest one. I think the longest one. Alright, so we got 4 down in the coil. So which one's next?
Number 4.
Which it'll be this one, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come on, baby. It's for your own good. Alright. Right here?
No.
This one?
Yes. No. Next is number 2, which is the front one on the left side.
Okay. I like how they're just going in. I mean, first you gotta get it just right, and then they just clip. That's when you know they're in there good. Normally I do them backwards like this, but since there's so much length to it, I didn't clip it. I'm gonna just point in the opposite way, and it'll create some sort of, it'll create a distance from the manifold and all that. And should I go over like this? Or maybe just on top. I don't have to any arms. Yeah, we'll just get them to go with the other ones.
Goes to the one on the right.
This one?
Yeah.
Which one was the longest one out of the whole pack? This one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that one. That one?
No. Yes.
Are you sure? Let's look at the paper.
2, 2.
Oh, yeah.
And then number 3, which will be on this right side. It'll be the one that go to the very back.
Oh snap, there's still one back there. I don't know which one might be longer. Farther out. Might be number 3. The one that's farther out, you know? I'm thinking. Nah, we'll just put this one on. Either way, we'll mess with it later. There you go, sit down. Okay.
And the last one is number 1.
I don't know. I feel like this one should be, or like number 2 needs to probably be back here. Right? A little bit less crowded.
Yeah.
Get a water. Go get the ones from the freezer. Yep. So. They're thicker than the normal regular ones. Make sure they don't grab it. Alright, we're gonna try to clean it up a little bit today. Get it close, lift it up. Turn it towards facing this way. Plug it up to the other one, turn it off. Plug it up to this one. Put it down.